starting with Team 40-13.
That's Team Blackwood Mania from Orlando, Florida.
Joined by Team 7-1.
They come from Kincardine, Ontario, Canada, the Kinetic Knights Robotics.
And the team that's ready to do some calculating is Team 21-75.
They hail from Woodbury, Minnesota. It's the Fighting Calculators.
And fighting against those calculators is this Blue Alliance with Team 47-78.
They come from Chanhassen, Minnesota, the Stormbots.
Joining them, Team 527.
Plain High School Red Dragons from North Massapequa, New York, the Dragons.
And Team 120.
From Clifton Park, New York, representing Shenandoah High School, the Rocketeers.
Alright, those are our Blue and Red Alliances ready for the next match here on the Archimedes Division Field. And we'll begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Match 23 on Archimedes underway. Michael scored by the Fighting Calculators. They're answered back by the Blue Alliance with 3 scores of their own. Nice job by both alliances there. Blue Alliance in lead at the moment. Red Alliance trying to get those 2 game pieces off the field as quickly as possible. Quickly, the Fighting Calculators pick up one of those game pieces. Lined up right there. Blue Alliance working on their first cycle. 47-78 Chanhassen, the Stormbots. 10-point rush shot score. Fighting Calculators get one of those game pieces off the field. Not the other one. 20 the Rocketeers. They have position of the game piece, looking for an open shot here. In cycles, there's one for the Blue Alliance. They go for the low goal, pick up those assist points. Fighting Calculators start the cycle for the Red Alliance. Lined up for the trust shot. They'll pass it off to their alliance partner, 781, Kinetic Knights Robotics. That shot is up and quickly, good for 20 points. That'll tighten up the score here between the Red and the Blue Alliances in this match. 50 seconds left. 21-75. Again, there's another trust shot. Good for 10 more. 781, Kinetic Knights. 527, they score a logo for the Blue Alliance. And there's a 20-point shot by the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance now back up in front. It's going back and forth between these 2 alliances. 21-75, quickly moving around the defense. 9-point trust shot is good. 20 points differential at this point. The robots are tangled up. Rocketeers, Kinetic Knights. There we go, they're untangled now. Come on, 3, 2, 1. And that ends this match. Red Alliance 167 to 107. There was a technical foul assessed against Team 20 on the Blue Alliance. A G28 violation.